how to create a Weverse account or sign up or log into it. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can actually create a Weverse account or sign up and log in, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create a Weverse account, first of all you have to do is make sure to download the Weverse app from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you've done that, just go ahead and then open it up. Now it'll ask you for a couple of permissions and a bit of details. Agree to it, tap the Start Weverse button from the bottom, select your language that you wish. I'll just select English and then I'll just tap on the next button. Here you'll find a button that's a join or login. You want to make sure to just tap on the join or login button over here. Now there are many ways you can log in or sign up to your Weverse account. The first is the Twitter account, the other is the Google account, the last is the Apple ID. So you can choose to either sign up and link with all these accounts, but you can also enter an independent email address that you wish. So make sure to also go ahead and simply choose an email address that you want to use over here. Once you simply make sure to enter the email address that you want to use, what you need to do is just tap the continue with this email button here. Once you tap on it, it will ask you, do you want to use this email? So I'll just tap the sign up now button. Now the next step will require me to simply choose a password I want to use. So make sure your password is between 8 to 32 characters, one or more letters, numbers and symbols. So let me also go ahead and then do that as well. Once I've entered the password that I want to use, make sure to re-enter them at the bottom just for the confirmation, and then just tap the next option from the bottom of the screen. It will ask me to simply choose a nickname, so I'm going to leave it at the default. If you want that, you can change the nickname and then just tap the next button here. The next step will require you to agree to the terms and conditions, so agree to all the terms of use and then just tap the next option again. Once you've done that, it says that it has sent a verification email to the email that I used right on my Outlook email. So what I will do is I'll just go ahead and check whether or not I have received an email. Now if you don't receive it, just try to refresh it a couple of times, try to switch to that specific email and then just refresh it until you get the email from Weverse. So once you receive the email, you want to make sure to simply tap on the email, verify it, and your Weverse account will be successfully created and ready for you. That is it for today's video on how you can actually create a Weverse account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.